Hey, welcome back. Last time we made and edited an image. Now the one everyone's here for, turning this image into a 3D model. Let's get into it. Before we get into 3D, here's one rule that matters most. Get the image right first. Images are fast and cheap to redo and generate. 3D isn't. So let's refine it. You can drag out of the image node or the edit image node right here and place a few nodes. Let's place one manually. For example, we can do a pose changer first in case we want to have a T-pose. Let's connect this output to the input here. Select T-pose, click Run Node, and the edit got applied. No masking, no tools, just this pose changer node. If you're happy with the image, you can now add an image to 3D node. Where is it? Right here. Or, of course, you can do another edit by using edit image and doing more edits. But for now, this looks pretty good. You can view it right here. It looks nice. And let's connect the image to 3D. Let's set the settings to Ultra. We want PBR and let's just click Run. And after about 2 minutes, the 3D model will get generated and will now add a viewer right here. We'll make this a bit bigger and let's load the 3D model. You can zoom in, inspect the model, inspect the mesh as well. And if you like it, you can download it here. Of course, you can also select this node to preview the 3D mesh. You can also open the content viewer on the bottom left, which is displaying the node you currently have selected. But for now, we'll close this. And now, once you're happy, you can add multiple nodes to that. For example, you want to remesh or retopologize this mesh into other formats or optimize it. You can convert the format to STL, whatever you need, and of course, download it. And if you're not happy, you can always just run the node again. For example, let's start at the beginning again. We can run this node again. And after a few seconds, we got the updated generation. In this case, I like the previous one a lot more. And you'll see it keeps all the generations in the film strip. And the one which you select is the one which will be active for the output right here. You can also collect the results of the film strip right here in the way that you add a collect results node. And that node will then show all the generations you made with this node in a strip. You can do up to 50 generations right here, which you can reuse for other generations. But in this case, that worked really well. Let's now add a convert format node in case I want to 3D print it. Select STL, run the node, and after a few seconds, you got your STL you can just download. And you'll see up here, it updated with all the outputs we generated, and we can now download any result we like or improve the workflow further for our use case. So now you made your first 3D model, but what if you want to change the model itself consistently from every angle? That's next. See you there.